Over 60, forget fish. For seafoods build muscle and kill sarcopenia fast. Are you over 60 and still believe that salmon or tuna is the #1 source of protein to stop muscle loss? This condition is called sarcopenia. It is time to forget fish. This truth will surprise you. There are 4 inexpensive seafoods with up to 8 times the protein of certain fish. They help your muscles stay strong and push back sarcopenia. Many people I follow begin to feel the difference in about 14 days. Results vary from person to person. I am Dr. Paul Harris. For more than 25 years, I have walked alongside thousands of patients over 60. I have seen many regain steady steps and climb stairs with ease just by switching to these 4 seafoods. In this video, I will reveal to you 4 low-cost seafoods. They are rich in natural protein, magnesium, and selenium to rebuild muscle. For muscle-destroying foods you must avoid because they silently drain your strength. Simple combinations to grow muscle quickly and beat sarcopenia without medication or heavy workouts. Before we begin, leave a comment and guess which of these seafoods you have already eaten. At the end of the video, I will show you how to start today and enjoy the full benefits of these 4 seafoods with 8 times the protein. Now, let us start with the cheapest seafood that hides surprising power. Just 100 grams can activate your body's own muscle repair system. Most people have never heard of this. You will never guess the first one. It is snails. 100 grams of snails provide about 25 grams of high-quality protein, equal to or higher than salmon. This protein quickly breaks down into essential amino acids that feed and rebuild every aging muscle fiber. It is a natural way to build muscle and kill sarcopenia that I often recommend to my patients over 60, and there is more. Snails are loaded with iron and copper, 2 minerals that raise hemoglobin so your blood delivers oxygen to muscles more efficiently. This helps you walk steadily, climb stairs more easily, and feel less fatigue. The magnesium and potassium packed in snails keep muscles contracting and relaxing smoothly, easing those nighttime cramps so common in older adults. According to many studies, eating snails regularly can help people over 60 boost muscle strength within just a few weeks. I remember Mrs. Margaret, 72. She once struggled to climb stairs. After only 3 weeks of adding boiled or stir-fried snails with greens to her dinners, she was walking around the park every morning without a cane. In many African communities, a weekly snail dish is one reason elders in their 80s and 90s still work in the fields and row boats with vigor. Quick tip: try stir-frying snails with sweet potatoes, white beans, and leafy greens, or make a fragrant soup with fresh herbs. These methods keep the natural protein intact while giving you a delicious meal. Have you eaten at least 2 of these 4 seafoods this week? Type yes or no. If snails have surprised you, the next seafood will amaze you even more. It is the very secret that helps many Greek elders keep strong muscles well into their 90s. 2 octopus. 100 grams of octopus provide up to 30 grams of protein. That is 7 grams more than salmon and 8 grams more than tuna. This rich protein contains all 9 essential amino acids. Together, they help rebuild and strengthen muscle while slowing the natural process of muscle loss. Octopus is not only remarkable for its protein, it is also rich in copper, a key mineral that boosts red blood cell production. Copper improves oxygen transport, which means your muscles can recover faster and stay strong longer. Vitamin E in octopus acts like a powerful antioxidant shield. It protects every muscle cell from premature aging. In addition, the B vitamins optimize energy metabolism so your muscles are constantly supplied with steady fuel. Research from the University of Athens shows that just 100 grams of octopus per day can increase muscle mass within 3 to 4 weeks. I remember my patient, Mr. George, age 70. He once struggled to lift even light boxes. After a month of enjoying grilled octopus with olive oil twice a week, he was carrying garden supplies with ease. In Greek fishing villages, this same habit helps many men and women in their 80s and 90s head out to sea with strength and confidence. Cooking suggestion: create a Mediterranean med-i-tuh-ray-na-uh dish that is both delicious and muscle-building. 3 quick steps. Clean the octopus and simmer gently for 45 to 60 minutes until tender. Stir-fry briefly with vegetables or grill with herbs and olive oil. Add black pepper and fresh lemon to lock in flavor and preserve the protein. If a simple weekly grilled octopus meal could help keep your legs strong into your 90s, would you be willing to give it a try? Share how you feel about this idea. Octopus is impressive, but the secret does not stop here. The third seafood surprises scientists with its almost unbelievable speed of protein absorption. You may be amazed when you hear its name. This is the very food that many Asian fishermen have relied on for generations to keep working offshore even in their 80s and 90s. Number 3. Prawns. Prawns are a source of fast-absorbing protein that leaves researchers astonished. 100 grams of prawns deliver about 24 grams of complete, easily digested protein that your muscles can take up almost entirely. This is especially important for anyone over 60 who wants to build muscle and defeat sarcopenia. Prawns are also rich in iodine, the mineral that keeps your thyroid running efficiently. A healthy thyroid turns each meal into a natural engine for burning fat and building muscle. The potassium content helps balance electrolytes, reduce fatigue, and speed muscle recovery after activity. Research from the American Institute of Nutrition shows that eating just 100 grams of prawns daily can help older adults reverse muscle loss. I remember Mr. Robert, age 68. He began adding steamed prawns and greens to 3 meals a week. After only 1 month, he was climbing 2 flights of stairs without feeling tired. Quick cooking idea: peel and divine the prawns, then stir-fry lightly with turmeric, pepper, and olive oil. You can also steam them with fresh vegetables. Each dish takes only a few minutes but provides long-lasting muscle benefits. How many times a month do prawns appear on your dinner table? Would you be ready to increase that number if you knew how quickly they protect and strengthen your muscles? Prawns are wonderful, but there is still one missing link to complete the ultimate muscle-preserving seafood plan. Your body still needs one more type of seafood that not only speeds recovery but also fortifies tendons and bones. This is the foundation that allows muscles to grow strong and stay injury-free. Number 4. Mussels. This is the very secret of many Asian fishermen who still haul in heavy nets with strength well into their 80s and 90s. Every 100 grams of green-lipped mussels provides about 24 grams of high-quality protein. It is on par with prawns. What makes them special is their rich supply of omega-3 salt and copper, a powerful combination that supports lasting muscle recovery and growth. Omega-3 salt seep deep into every muscle fiber, easing inflammation and boosting blood flow. This accelerates recovery and builds endurance. Copper fortifies bones and connective tissues, ensuring that newly formed muscle stays strong and injury-free. A study in New Zealand found that eating green-lipped mussels for just 2 weeks can help people over 60 increase stamina and reduce joint pain. I remember Mrs. Linda, age 74, who often woke up at night with painful cramps. After adding mussels to her meals 3 times a week, she slept soundly and stood up with steady strength within 4 weeks. Fast preparation: rinse clean, steam for 3 to 5 minutes, and discard any mussels that stay closed. Mix them into salads, add to soups, or stir-fry with garlic and olive oil. Give your body 14 days with these 4 low-cost seafoods and you can start to feel a real difference. Each serving supplies natural protein plus minerals like magnesium, and selenium. They boost muscle strength and support healthy aging. Over more than 25 years of working with thousands of patients over 60, I have seen many regain their balance, strengthen their legs, and cut down nighttime cramps within just 2 weeks of regularly adding these four seafoods. Of course, every person responds differently, but the 14-day mark is when most begin to notice real improvements. Wouldn't you love to rise each morning without fear of cramps or joint pain? What is holding you back from trying this simple mussel dish? I would love to hear about your seafood habits and talk with you about the benefits. Do not leave yet. Just one small mistake in your kitchen can undo all your efforts. These are the 4 mussel destroyers I most often find hidden in the kitchens of Americans over 60. I once met Mr. James, age 69, who faithfully ate seafood but still had weak muscles. Only after he completely eliminated flavored crackers and burgers did he gain back 4 pounds, about 1.8 kilograms, of lean muscle in 8 weeks. Many of my other patients have faced the same problem. Do not miss what is next. The final muscle destroyer I am about to share is present in nearly every kitchen. It can shut down your entire muscle recovery process. The first culprit is flavored crackers. At first glance, these crispy snacks seem harmless. But inside they hide refined flour, industrial seed oils, and additives that your muscles never asked for. When you eat flavored crackers, your blood sugar spikes. Your body is forced to store fat instead of building muscle. Studies show that eating these crackers regularly can reduce muscle protein synthesis by up to 30%. That almost wipes out the progress you gain from the 4 low-cost seafoods I just shared to build muscle and defeat sarcopenia. I remember one of my patients, Mrs. Margaret, 72. She ate the 4 seafoods every week but still felt her muscles weaken. Only after cutting out flavored crackers did she regain strength and add about 4 pounds, about 1.8 kilograms, of lean muscle in 6 weeks. Her story is far from unique, and that is only the beginning. The second culprit hides even deeper in the morning routines of many people over 60. It is advertised as rich in calcium, but is in fact a sugar bomb silently attacking your muscles. If you think flavored crackers are bad, the next one is even more dangerous. It is marketed as nutritious milk, yet it is destroying your muscles day by day. Second on the list of muscle destroyers is condensed milk. This seemingly wholesome milk is loaded with sugar and has almost no natural protein left. When sugar from condensed milk enters your body, it triggers inflammation. It blocks muscle protein synthesis and pushes your body to store fat instead of building muscle. I clearly remember Mr. Robert, 68. He thought adding condensed milk to his morning coffee was a healthy habit. Only after cutting it out and replacing it with fresh milk, alongside the 4 high-protein seafoods, did he regain strength. He returned to construction work within 2 months, but do not relax yet. The third culprit is a drink many older adults rely on every morning to stay alert. Yet it is quietly eating away at every muscle fiber. The third muscle destroyer is energy drinks. These are mixtures of synthetic caffeine, and refined sugars. They give you a short burst of excitement. What follows is a sharp energy crash that weakens your muscles. Studies show that drinking energy drinks regularly can reduce muscle recovery capacity by as much as 40%. That means the hard-earned muscle gains from eating for muscle-building seafoods can be seriously undermined. I once treated Mrs. Linda, 74, who depended on energy drinks to stay awake each morning. She soon found her muscles weakening rapidly. Only when she replaced energy drinks with a high-protein breakfast of prawns and mussels did she regain her energy and stamina. The scariest part is not here yet. The final culprit is not just common at fast food counters. It also hides inside many convenient lunches. This is the silent muscle killer for millions of Americans over 60. The last muscle destroyer is the fast food burger. It is the go-to lunch for countless people over 60. Inside every burger are processed meats, extremely high sodium, preservatives, preservatives, and especially trans fats. These ingredients trigger chronic inflammation. They keep breaking down your muscles for a full 48 hours after each meal. That means a single burger can wipe out the muscle-building work you have been doing with the 4 low-cost seafoods. I remember Mr. James, age 69. He ate a burger almost every week, even after adding seafood to his meals. Only when he completely stopped burgers and switched to high-protein seafood meals did he stand firmly and walk normally again after 8
Hello,
weeks.
my friend. I'm Dr. Paul
Start
Harris,
today.
and I'm truly
Give
grateful
your
that
body
you've taken a few
14
minutes to be
days
here
with
with
the
me
4
today.
seafoods that
In our
deliver
last
up
talk,
to
we
8
explored
times the protein.
salmon.
Your muscles will wake up stronger. Avoid these for muscle destroyers to protect every precious muscle fiber.
Hello, my friend. I'm
Do
Dr.
not
Paul
forget to
Harris, and
steer
I'm truly
clear of the
grateful
4
that you've
muscle
taken a few minutes to
destroyers.
be here
Hit
with me
subscribe
today.
to get the
In our
video
last
to
talk, we
nighttime
explored
vitamins build muscle super fast that releases tomorrow. Which dish will you start with today? Type the name of the dish and your 14-day goal, such
Hello,
as
my
fewer
friend. I'm
cramps,
Dr. Paul Harris,
steadier
and I'm
stair
truly
climbing,
grateful that
or
you've
better
taken a few
sleep.
minutes to be here with
I
me
will
today.
read and
In
reply
our
to
last
every
talk, we
comment so we
explored
can walk this journey together.
salmon.
Tomorrow I will release to nighttime vitamins build muscle super fast. 2 vitamins that help you build muscle
Hello,
quickly
my friend.
while
I'm
you
Dr.
sleep.
Paul
Tap
Harris, and I'm
subscribe
truly
and
grateful
turn
that
on the
you've
bell
taken a
right
few
now
minutes
to
to be
get
here with me
notified the
today.
moment it goes
In our
live.
last